Have you ever created an Excel chart but the data looked too compressed or difficult to read, or there are some empty spaces on your chart? This usually happens because Excel automatically controls the y-axis scale. In this video, I will show you how to manually change the y-axis limits in Excel charts by setting custom minimum and maximum value. So first I will select this data to create a chart. I'll go to the Insert tab. I'll click on this recommended chart and I'll create this clustered column chart and click OK. So here you can see that we have a chart, but you can see that the y-axis value runs from 0 to 10,000, but in the data the maximum value we have is around 7,200. So it's mean that the data points above this limit is creating some empty space which is making our important data to look compressed. To change these values, I need to double click on these y-axis values. This will open the Format Axis option. Here under the Axis option, we have the minimum and maximum bound limit. For the minimum it is set to 0, but for maximum it is set to 10,000. I can set it to, for example, 7,500 and click anywhere on this empty space in this sheet. So you can see that the empty space on our chart has gone. Another thing that we can do is to change the difference between two successive values. For this purpose, again, I will double click on these values to open the Format Axis option, and here under the units, at this time it is set to 1000. So if I change it to 2000, now let's see what happens on the chart. You can see the interval between the number has changed. Now to make this chart look more professional, I will click on this chart title to delete this chart title, or I can write the chart title as per my need. And to remove these grid lines, I will click on them and press delete to delete them. And that's it. Today you learned how to change y-axis limits and how to set custom minimum and maximum values, how to adjust axis intervals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Excel tutorial.